Hello YouTube, I'm submitting this appeal in English language regarding my channel, which can be found at the current URL address. I'm seeking a review of my channel for monetization after being flagged for reused content. My channel is focused on covering parties across the Caribbean, showcasing vigorous cultures and how people celebrate and have fun. In my video, I will demonstrate why I believe my channel does not contain reuse content. I will walk you through my video explaining my production procedure and editing technique. Thank you. By me and edit by using the software CapCut. This video was filmed in Anguilla, British West Indies Island, where I located. And this was one of the St. Vincent Independent Beach Party. This is my second installment of my video production series capturing the press conference that took place in St. Kitts. During this event, I conduct interview with the Jamaican artists who set to perform that day. I carefully edit the footage by merging and splicing vigorous clippings to create a distinctive video production. Each segment was thoughtfully combined to showcase the atmosphere, the artist inside, and the overall context of the event, resulted in a comprehensive and emerging final production. This is another one of my production featuring a local artist, Stanisha from St. Thomas, USVI. She performed at the last lap in St. Thomas Carnival celebration. In this video, I edited and combined vigorous clips to showcase our performance on stage. This is the next event I covered in Anguilla featuring a local band called Exodus HQ. They perform at Blackarama Culture event this year. This is how I edit and capture this video and process it in CapCut. This is a festival that I did in Anguilla called Del Mar. It's a yearly festival that I cover 2 years in a row, and this is how I did it, putting the video clips together and complete this video. This is the footage that I put together, the pieces, and put it together in CapCut. My video in St. Martin Juve morning. The thumbnail was taken by my phone and upload. This is where I upload it on YouTube, and this is how I create that video. Put it together piece by piece using my phone to take clippings and put it together. This event was the Juve morning for the carnival season in St. Martin. My shots from St. Kitts Music Fest Night 1. As you can see, these videos are not uploaded as yet. Here, video 1, video 2, St. Kitts Music Fest, St. Vincent in Anguilla. All of my video here is done by me by using CapCut. As you see, I can go over to this page and you can see all my videos here. So if I did anything wrong, please advise me what I've done and I will correct it and make sure this will never happen in the future. This is the way this is how I go about doing my video. This is my hobby. I travel across the Caribbean to do parties and events. So please let me know if there is anything I did wrong and guide me moving forward. Thank you for giving me a chance to express myself.